I'm so excited because I've just got my hair topper from UNIWIGS in the post. Thank you so much, UNIWIGS. If you're looking for a stress-free way to hide hair loss, a stress-free way to wear different looks, then look no further. You do not need the following items: scissors, wig glue, wig makeup. All of those things you do not need. You literally just need this single item and that is it. So lightweight with a wig. I find when I wear a wig, it gets really claustrophobic, it gets quite sweaty in there. This is so light, there's no pressure whatsoever on my head, and it's pretty airy in terms of that, the fact it's a lace front. So it's quite good because you do not want to be blocking your hair follicles, you do not want to be putting too much weight on your hair. So this is absolutely perfect. So if you're wondering what a hair topper is, it's basically a quarter wig. I wouldn't even say a half wig, it's a quarter wig. It literally takes away the process of cutting the lace of a wig and then getting wig glue, putting wig glue on, using a hairdryer to dry the glue. I find trying to match the hairline with the wig is so difficult, and I get frustrated with my own hair loss. I don't need to get more frustrated about trying to put a wig on. So this is great because it has bangs. It automatically, like that, blends in with your hair because there is no hairline. You've got bangs instead. So this is Amelia full mono Remy human hair topper with bangs. It has 4 clips down the side and it goes to all the way to the back of your scalp, and this is a sticky bit here, right here, so that it helps to stick to your skin. It's way more natural, very, very luxurious and soft. The problem that I have is that I have a fringe already, and sometimes when I put a hair topper, it gets in between the fringe and it just doesn't look good because you can see my hair underneath. So I'm gonna secure my own bangs this time. So the problem that I have is I suffer from hair loss. Obviously I've got more thinning at the front of my hair, of my scalp, and I always wanted bangs, but because my hair is very thin, bangs don't look that great on me. To hide my hair loss, but also to give me that ability to try on different looks and just to serve looks to everyone. I want to have the choice to switch up my looks. I want to be serving looks for you guys, so I'm ready to try this on. So this is what it looks like right off the bat, me just putting it on without blending it, without doing anything. I love a bang because bangs are so much more easier to style, to blend in with your hair, because there's no hairline that you need to blend in. My hair is, look at that, my real hair coming through. My hair is dry and brittle. What this topper does, because the hair is human hair and it's so soft, it feels really nice in my hands, it helps to blend in with my dry brittle hair, so it makes my hair look more hydrated, looks more healthier. So that's why I kind of like the topper, because you're not hiding your own hair, you're just enhancing the hair that you already have. So as this side, my real hair is curly, I'm gonna do this side curly, and I'm gonna keep this side super straight so you guys can see the difference between the two. It's easy to style because I can just keep it on my head and style it as I normally do with my own hair. I find if you wear extensions, straightening extensions or blow drying extensions is an absolute myth. Like holding onto the extensions and then like trying to straighten them is just really hard. So blow drying is an absolute myth. Like you got the hair dryer in one hand and you got the brush in the other hand. Where's the extensions gonna go? Like what? I just don't get how people blow dry their extensions. I just don't. So I have a code for you guys, IB, which gets you 15% off the entire site, and I will link it in the description. So the fringe section, I'm just gonna give it a bit more volume. So the straightening side is really easy to do, and I love a sleek look, especially with the bangs. Has anyone else done this to their straighteners? So like my straighteners don't open all the way, they're like a little bit broken. And I think I did this as the day I got these, which is kind of annoying. So GHD, if you're watching this, please sponsor me. Send me some GHDs, please, because these are broken. Everyone goes to their Twitter and tell them. And one thing I forgot to mention is that I got got black and it's really blended in with my hair color. So it's great that I don't even have to dye the wig. I think the color match is really good. So I don't know if you can see, but there is like different shades in the strands. So when the light hits it, it helps to reflect it and then it blends in with your natural hair color, which is really good. And I can't get over how soft it is. Like, it's just really soft. So if I show you guys close up, so it's pretty secure. So I just had those 4 clips on the side. I'm moving it now and it's hardly moving. It's ideal because you don't want your top to be snatched off your head in a rave or wherever you are going. I'm not very good with, oh, it's very hot, isn't it? Can you see the steam of that? I'm not very, the straighteners, they're like a lost cause. I've got these tongs, so I'm gonna try with these tongs to curl. I want soft curls and I want them to be small, so. So I've done half a side curly and I think it looks really cute. I'm just gonna brush it through. So I personally prefer the straight side just because with bangs, it just looks way more sleeker and nicer when you have just straight hair. But it's really up to you on how you wanna style this. It's very, very easy to use. And as you can see, when I was curling it, my hair topper wasn't even moving and it was so easy to use. I love that it's lace because you can it kind of gives the illusion that this is your scalp. So it's nice to have that option. And then if you look at the back, you can just see how much it blends with my own hair, which is great. And then this is the curly side. So this is a cute little ponytail. And I love the fact it gives me volume and like a thicker ponytail than if I was to just do my own ponytail, which I love, without actually having to wear like a full-on wig. I can't explain to you how happy that makes me. And I love how versatile it is. It's really easy just to do any sort of style, whether it's half up, half down, whether it's a sleek ponytail. I think ponytails are really cute because you have these little strands here, but I think it's just so easy to use, much easier than wearing extensions, much easier than wearing a real wig where you have to glue it down. I think the bangs is a great way for beginners if you're looking to get a topper. A topper with a bang is a great way to get started. Well, I hope you have enjoyed this hair topper review as much as I have filming it. It has been an absolute pleasure. Thank you, UNIWIGS, for sending me this luxurious hair topper, and I can't wait to go out and, after lockdown of course, go out and go about town in my my new look, serving looks.